Hello and welcome back to my channel, Beauty in the Boondocks. Today I'm going to give you a tour of my Valentine's Day decor through my house. And you're probably wondering why I still have my Christmas tree up. Well, I decided that I would extend the Christmas holiday a little bit, and that way I don't have to take down the tree. And so I went to the Dollar Tree and I found a lot of decor there that I could decorate my tree with. They had lights. You have to have batteries for those and put those in there, and they light up. I don't have batteries in them right now. I just like them the way they are. And then they had the Valentine's Day garland, and then I put all the little presents that I have. They had bags and wrapping paper, so those are for my boys and my parents. And I just put them down there like that. So, and all this came from the Dollar Tree. And then I've had this up here, so it kind of still goes along with the theme. You can extend it to Valentine's Day. It kind of looks like that. And then I found that at the Dollar Tree. Follow your heart. And then I found these. I thought these were cute too. And I've got one there, and of course these still go with the Valentine theme. And then I got this too. This was my Valentine gift from my husband. This is an armoire. I got it at Goodies. It was on sale for $65. You can hang it up over your door, or it'll stand too, but for the sake of space I decided that I wanted to hang it over the door. So I will open this armoire, give you a look inside. So I store extra front nail polish in there right now because I already have one armoire, but I wanted an extra one. I like jewelry, so. But anyway, I really like my Valentine gift, and I like this. They have a place you can hang scarves or necklaces, but I thought that was a good deal for that because it has the stand and the overhang. You don't see them like that, so that was a steal. And then I do red a lot. Red's one of my favorite colors, so I already have that decor. It goes well with Christmas and for Valentine's Day. So I've got these here. They came from the Dollar Tree. I really like them, but these were pretty, and they had a lot of decor. And then, of course, that. And then I thought that was really pretty. Love each moment. And then I got that at the Family Dollar. It was only $1. It was really pretty. And then I got these at the Dollar Tree too. And that's a regular flower that I use. So I bought these and I just stuck them down in there. And I thought they were really cute. And then I got some little sparkly stickers that I just stuck down there. I didn't take the backs off of them. And then they had little heart rocks at the Dollar Tree, and I got them. And I just kind of made like my little centerpiece here. So we go in here, and I found garlands, so I just hung it over the door. And I found these. And they had that chalk board up there, and I just put love on it. And then this. And that's the tour. I just did a little bit of decor from the Dollar Tree. So have a wonderful Valentine's Day, and God bless you.